What is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today we are looking at the DJI Osmo Pocket story mode. Here we go.
1, 2, 3,
First thing you want to do is turn on your DJI Osmo Pocket. Flip that adapter over. Attach it to your phone. Just like that. Mimo app would right away turn on. And now we're looking at the story mode. Here we go. What you want to do is, there's a lot of options here. Check them out. So basically what will happen is, whatever you see here, it would give you an instruction on how you would do it, and you would just record it as so. So let's try, just so you could see there, let's try out one of them. So basically what's gonna happen is, when you click it, click record, it would count down and it would record just like that. And you would then press next, try again, count down, and you record like that. Try again, I think 2 more times. There we go. And 1 more. Here you go. Once you press preview all, now you would have all this just like that, and you can press save, cancel, and that's how it is. You can then share it to your social media apps just like that, or messages. You can even have a location, and that's that. And here are some of the stories that I've already made. Here we go.
旅行中最幸运的，莫过于每到一个城市的晴天，每吃一餐美食的满足，还有每走一趟旅途的遇见。
Well, that's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you guys next time. Peace out.